Last week, I touched base on 3 items from your pantry that you can use in your garden. I touched base on Epsom salt, cinnamon, and eggshells. Today, I'm going to be giving you 3 additional items from your pantry that you can use in your garden. The first one is tea bags. This feeds acid to your garden, and plants need this. Some plants love the acid that the tea bags create. It also deters bugs and snails, and it keeps your soil moist because it adds a sort of texture to the soil that plants love, and that way the soil never dries up fully. The second thing are banana peels. Banana peels release vitamins and nutrients to your plants. So if you have a banana peel and you just want to cut it into little pieces and stick it into your soil, you can do that as well. The last thing is coffee grinds. They release slowly nitrogen into your soil. It creates better drainage if you put it around the stalks to avoid slugs from going into your plant and destroying them. If you have a raised bed, you also want to consider getting some worms. It's kind of hard now that we're in quarantine and we can't really go to a store and buy them. But if you have a good patch of dirt outside, you can try digging a little and you possibly could find some. And if you don't, you can actually kind of call them. And here are some items that you can put in the dirt to call out the worms, because worms love certain items on this list. Hope what I've shared with you guys today has helped you in your new journey in creating your own garden. And if you haven't, I hope it inspires you. Also, I'm no expert. I get a lot of my information from Pinterest. So I read a lot about it before I post it and want to make sure that I'm giving you kind of summary level of what I do with the garden.